Chicken boneless, salt to taste, chili powder, crushed chili, black pepper, cumin and coriander powder, ginger garlic, green chili, coriander leaves, fried onion, bread slice, cream 1 tbs, egg, grind them together, half cup oil. Fry prepared meatballs. Lightly fry them. One cup onion, green chili, peeled almonds 10 to 12. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes. 2 cardamoms, blend them. Cloves, cardamom, cinnamon sticks, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Fry for 1 minute. Onion paste. Fry until oil comes up. Spices: white pepper, coriander powder, crushed black pepper, garam masala, salt. Mix well in gravy. When masala release oil, add half cup yogurt. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of cream. Do not overcook cream, just mix it and then add water. Add half cup water. When it starts to bubble, add meatballs. If you want more gravy, then add more water, it's up to you. Lastly, add 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi. Cover it for 7 minutes on medium heat. Garnish with chopped ginger, coriander and chili, sliced almonds. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel.